Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sogi Raju Pratama. I'm from Teknik Informatika D. In this video, I want to present about database. Let's go to the video. Check it out. I want to presentation about database. Definition of database. Database is a collection of information stored in a computer systematically, so that I can be checked using a computer program to obtain information from the database. The software used to manage and query the database is called a database management system, or DBMS. Definition of database according to expert. Number 1 is a tree. Recall that the database is a collection of data that are introduced with one another with various use. Currency average. Database is a collection of data that is mechanically divided and formally defined through an organization. Tony Fabris stated that the database is an integrated file system that has at least one primary key relation. Next, CJ Dat. Database is operational data set by the application system of an organization. Next, database history. In the early 1916, Charles Bateman at the General Electric Company designed the first generation of DBMS, called the Integrated Data Store. The basic for the network data model was formatted and then standardized by the Convention on Data System Language, or CODASD. Later, Bateman received the ACM Turing Award in 1973. In the late 1960s, IBM developer an Information Management System, or DBMS. EMS is formed from the representation of data is framework, called a hierarchical data model. At the same time, the collaboration between IBM and American Airlines Company developed the Sabre system. Sabre system allows users to access the same data on computer network. Next, in 1918, in the late 1918s and early 1919, many areas of database system were developed. Specialized in field data including Power Query Language, competitive data models, and emphasis on supporting complex data analysis throughout of the organization. Some vendors expand their system with the ability to store data and type data. Just imagine the text or well complex query covered database. Special system developed by many vendors to create data warehouse and consume data from multi-database. Next, database component. Database component is a hardware, operating system, database, and DBMS, or database management system. Next, two types of database. Number 1 is flat file database. Flat file database are ideal for small data and can be changed easily. Basically, they consist of a cedric in or model files that can be parsed for the information store. Flat file database are used to store lists or data simply and in small amount. Number 2, relational database. This database has a more logical structure Regarding the means of store, the word relational comes from the fact that tables in a database can be linked to one another. A relational database uses a set of two-dimensional database. Each table consists of rows, tuples, and columns attributes to create a relation between two or more tables. Use a key or key attribute, which in the primary key in one table and foreign key in another table. Next, database benefits. First time, database benefit is speed and convenience. Database have the ability to select data so that it become sorted group quickly. Number 2, can be used there. Database can be used by anyone in company. For example, in a college student database is created by several selection such as admin. Number 3, control and centralized. Related to pointing to the two, even though a company has many selections or divisions, that the database needed remain only one. This facilitates data control when you want to update student data. Then we need to update all data, each selection or division, but only in one database on the central service. Number 4, cost-effective device. By having a centralized database, each division doesn't require a device to store the database because only one database is needed, which is stored on a central service. This will cut and the cost of purchasing equipment. Okay, and last, data security. Almost all now have a database management application. User manager facility. User manager is able to create different access rights depending on the interest and position of their user. In addition, the data stored in the database requires a password to access it. Okay, thank you. Okay, enough of my presentation video here. More or less, I'm so sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.